Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you that you can refill your windshield washer fluid easily with this tutorial. That's right, if you want to refill your windshield washer fluid, if you need to refill your windshield washer fluid, this is the tutorial for you. It is really easy to do. All that you need is a little bit of windshield washer fluid, just as I have in this bottle over here, and you need access to the windshield washer fluid refilling port, which is just over there on this vehicle. So essentially what you want to do is you want to pop the hood and you want to figure out where your windshield washer refilling port is. Okay, your windshield washer fluid refilling port. In this vehicle, it's right over here, but you can always consult your owner's manual to figure out where yours is. And obviously, always make sure you are popping the hood safely. You are, exercising caution. You are looking at the owner's manual so you know exactly what you're doing. And always make sure that you're being as safe as possible throughout the entire process, all the time. Whenever you're doing anything with cars and whenever you're doing anything in general. Now, I actually needed to refill my windshield washer fluid, and I actually did it. And I left just a little bit of space so I could film this tutorial. So essentially, once you have your windshield washer fluid and you have access to the windshield washer fluid refilling port, you're going to open it up. Okay, so you can see I've opened the cap right there, and as you can see, it's probably hard to see in there, but it's like filled up decently. But I think I can put a little bit more in there just for this tutorial, and it's really easy to do. I mean, you want to try and spill as little as possible, and it's obviously much easier when you have less in there. When it's a full bottle, it's harder to avoid spilling, but when it's much less in it like this, it's a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one hand and I'm going to try and get it in there and see if I have my skills that I think I do. Yep, and as you can see over here, I'm pouring it into the windshield washer refilling port. Okay, actually there's quite a bit more space. I thought it was almost full, to be honest with you. But as it settled, I guess it got more space. Wow, I thought it was almost full. I saw the fluid, so I figured it was almost full. When I looked into there originally, I saw the fluid. I thought I was going to be able to only put a couple of drops or a couple seconds of pouring. But as you can see, wow, I can basically almost finish the bottle. So, all right, so that's how to do it. It's literally that simple. And luckily, I actually have another bottle in the vehicle, so I can actually finish the job. But yeah, once you're done, obviously I'm just going to place this over here. Hopefully it doesn't blow away because it's a cold, windy day right now. But once you're done, you're going to make sure that you put the cap back on. Make sure you push it down nicely, and then obviously make sure you get the bottle and the cap for the bottle. Make sure you remove everything from your engine bay, and then obviously once the cap is closed for your windshield washer refilling, your windshield washer fluid refilling port, and you've removed the bottle and the cap for the bottle of windshield washer fluid. Once everything's done and you're ready to finish up, you can close the hood of your car, and you can hopefully know that you have now more than enough windshield washer fluid to be used when you're driving. And that's it. It's actually that simple. That is how to do it. And yeah, I figured I would just do a quick and easy tutorial showing you and telling you exactly how to do this exact process. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.